Ray!
Mr. Kane! Where are you? Help me, please! Take me back from here!
You are in Blockland, Ray. The block generator transformed you into blocks.
What? Can you help me out this place, please?
You can only hear my voice. Don't worry, I can help you to come back to the real world. I don't know your exact location in Blockland. The only method to go out of Blockland is that you must complete a mission.
What is the mission?
Look up the sky. Can you see a sprite?
Yes, I can see it.
Good. There are 8 blocks that are hidden in Blockland. These 8 blocks can make the sprite to move in different directions. Up, down, left, right. So your mission is to find the 8 blocks. You don't have much time. You need to be quick. Hurry.
Okay. I'm going to do it. I don't have much time, that's what King said. Okay, where are the 8 blocks? How can I find them? Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is too slow. Okay, where am I? This is Blockland. Oh god. Is there any other person here? Oh, there's something there. I think... Oh, yes! Okay! Oh my god. I found one. What was that? Okay, what is this? Nothing. Okay. Oh! There's another one here. What does it say? When right arrow key pressed. Okay. Yes! It's the second one. Okay, so how many left? 6. 6 more to go. Alright. Where can I find them? Where can I find them? Where are you? Where are you? Oh! I see one! Okay! What does it say? Change Y by 20. Okay! Oh! Yes! This is cool now! Let's go. We don't have much time. I don't have much time. Look at this. Oh! There's another one! Down arrow! Yes! Yes! Okay. What is this? Now I have 4. Another 4 left. 4 more to go. Oh my god. This is getting so weird. Oh! Another one! I think so. Oh! Change Y by... Oh! This is negative 20. I don't know what that means, but I got it. Alright. 3 left only. Only 3. Yes! Almost there. Where are you? Okay. I don't have much time. I need to be quick. Okay. Good, 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 good. Only two left. Only two left. Okay, almost there. Only two left. Oh!
I'm not just living, I'm alive. I'm not just breathing to survive. I see imagination's world as I'm living in this world. And with my eyes wide open, try to take it all in. Now come along and let the good times begin. We feel alive in the light, feel alive in the summertime.
Where are you?
We are breaking free now wherever we go.
I think like I should go up.
We feel alive in the light, feel alive in the summertime.
How many? No!
And we are breaking free now wherever we go. We feel alive in the light, feel alive in the summertime. And we are breaking free now wherever we go.
Oh my god, I lost.
Feel alive in the
Oh.
summertime.
No. I hate this Blockland. Blockland!
And we are
Oh!
wherever we go.
I got another one. Yes! Yes! Okay! Let me just dance for some time. Oh! Okay. Now. Oh, I think one left. Only one left.
I got my head in the clouds and got my feet on
Only
the
one left.
ground. You see, I've been around.
Where are you? Only one left.
Yeah, I'm a dreamer,
Woohoo!
a shaker, a mover and risk taker, and I'm gonna give it all that I got. Yeah, yeah, I'm in the rhythm, I feel it. It beats inside my chest. I breathe the music, so real, but I only want the best. I chase the rainbow colors that appear without a care. Live my adventure with my hands in the air. We feel alive in the light, feel alive in the summertime.
Oh, yeah! Yeah, I got it! Okay! Yes! Yes!
So turn that summer jam up. I wanna feel the beat. You'll find me tapping on my toes. You'll find me dancing in the street, and I'll be shaking all
Mr. King! Yes! I am done! What's next now?
Mr. Ray Ray, you found all the blocks, all the 8 blocks, so I'm going to help you to arrange these blocks, snap them together so that the sprite, our sprite's name is called Chris, can move in different directions. Let's go. How to do that one? So we have here this block, left arrow, this is the right arrow, this is the down arrow, and this is the up arrow. If we want the sprite to move to left arrow, left side direction, we grab this one and snap them together. And then right arrow, this is the right direction. So you see, left direction, right direction, can move also. And now, down arrow, left arrow. Great. See, down, up, right and left. It can move to all 4 directions. just snapping them together, these blocks. Just to snap these blocks together. That's all. Now, I can take you back to the real world.